Hello everyone and welcome back to the JGBricks Productions YouTube channel. Now today I'm bringing you a fairly requested video. This is how to make a custom ARC Trooper Echo. Now there's a specific person that had commented this on my custom ARC Trooper 5 video that I should do an Echo one. And after giving it some thought, I've decided to make it. This one is definitely going to be one of the easier ones because it doesn't require as many, and you'll find it actually is quite similar to the 5's one. So I do hope you enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get into it. So as is the norm for these types of videos, I tell you what types of minifigures you're going to need. So for this one, I do believe there are only two types of, there's only two minifigures that you're going to need for this. You're going to need the 501st Clone Trooper from the ATRT and the Z95 Headhunter. It's a pretty rare figure these days, but if you can manage to find one, not that hard. So, actually, if you can tell, this one's a bit misprinted. Well, like, you know, they're a bit down, but whatever. So you'll need that, and you'll also need the same ARC Trooper that I used from the 5's video. If you haven't watched that, it's the one from the Elite Commando Droid and Clone Trooper Battle Pack, or something like that. So that's all you'll need, and if you can, you'll also need a Karma, I believe that is, and a rangefinder. Depending on your type of taste, you could either use two pistols, a medium blaster, or if you can spare the money, a custom Lego Clone Trooper one. Now, they're a little hard to find, but I can leave some suggestions down in the description if you want to check there. Okay, so starting off, what you're obviously going to want to do is, you know, just as normal, you know, put that on there. Also, I forgot to say before, the arms you're going to need to get from the 501st one, but the torso is going to be from the ARC Trooper. I almost forgot that. Anyway, back to this. So, after that, you know, you put the Karma above it, you know, like that. I do believe the longer side goes that way. I believe that's to the right. So, after that, you know, just put the head on. Use whatever head you want. I'm just using the normal ARC Trooper head. And of course, you know, put the helmet on, you know, just as normal with the rangefinder. You know, you can add other accessories if you feel like it. You know, you can add the backpack, but I think it might be a bit hard because it might not fit with the Karma there. But, you know, if you want to add maybe one of those things that you put down, like this thing, I don't know what it's called, I'm just stupid, I forgot what it's called. You can add maybe like a, just whatever. Also, I was going to put a waist cape on him, except, just reasons, technical difficulties, basically, just think of it as that. And then, you know, after that, you know, just put the blaster on. There you go. And there you go, you basically have your very own custom Echo. Now, of course, feel free to do whatever you want. If you prefer, you know, small blasters, do that. But I think the DC-15 is the thing he likes to use most. So, hang on. Oh, there we go. There you go. That is your very own custom Echo. Now, if you have any more suggestions, like different minifigures you want me to do, leave it in the comments, and, you know, I'll check it out. I always check my comments, so feel free to leave suggestions. Okay, so I've got two things that I've got to kind of rephrase from what I said earlier. I actually do have a waist cape, which I made myself. It looks pretty crude, but, you know, it works, it works. So, basically, you can put that, you know, between his legs and his torso to make him look much better. And also, I do want to thank Arc-7740 for the inspiration of this. Now, he is possibly one of my best supporters of the channel so far. I know I don't have, like, a massive network of supporters yet, but, you know, he's basically been the one that's always, you know, been there. He's been commenting and maybe hopefully liking the videos. I just want to give a shout out to him. He's on 38 subscribers. He's doing better than me, to be honest. He doesn't even have content. So, yeah, I just want to thank Arc-77Fordo. I do hope you enjoy this video as well, and I hope you all enjoy this video as well. I can't speak today. All enjoy this video, okay? Leave a thumbs up, you know, hit the subscribe button if you want to, like I don't want to sound like a cringy YouTuber, but, like, if you want to, you can do it, you know? Just, yeah, do it if you want. Jeez, I'm so cringy.